Well, hey YouTubers, here it is. Somewhat. This is my e-bike. As you remember, started out as a beach cruiser. Well, now we have a 9-continent front hub motor. We have the ape hanger handlebars like I wanted. The very comfortable Schwinn comfort seat. Back rack, very nice, and swing back out. There it is. Now, this is stage 1. The motor has not been activated yet, so we don't know if it's going to work, but I hope it does with my wiring skills. Now, this is step 3, I think, yes, because we have the motor on now. It's been modified. Now, I have gone through two sets of fenders. I have been riding this bike to work. I do not know what I'm doing to these fenders, but I'm killing them. So I ordered another set. They should be arriving either this week or next week. I'll show them being put on. That's what I'm waiting for now. You see, I can't mount the controller until I have the fenders on. The front fender, not so big of a deal. It's the rear fender, because it's not going to mount in the same place the old ones did. These are polypropylene, supposedly indestructible fenders. So, they mount on the frame more so than on the stays and whatnot. Actually, they're modified mountain bike fenders. So, hopefully they'll do the trick. Now, I got confirmation today that my battery bag was on its way, so that should be good. Next thing I'm going to do is take off the grips, put on the throttle and the other grip, switch the gear lever, which is currently on the right side, to the left, because I want to have the throttle on the right. I don't need the shifter as much. And we'll finish wiring up the hub motor and button that up and put on the really neat torque arm that I got from ebikes.ca. Yeah, I'm plugging you guys. All of my electric gear came from there. Well, there and Princess Auto. So, please rate and have a nice day.